Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you sweet chili salmon. So we've got a whole fresh salmon here which I've washed and cleaned with vinegar and lemon juice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just slice this up and get it ready for the marinade. So we've got our chopping board. And we've got our old salmon. As you can see, it's a big salmon. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take off the head. And I'm going to cut these into slices about half an inch. You're going to need a very sharp knife for this one. Right, so we're getting down to the last bit now. That's why it helps to have a very sharp knife. Just going to put this aside now. And that's our sliced up salmon. So into that we're going to add about half a cup of dark soy. Gonna add some lemon juice to that. About 3 or 4 teaspoons you need in there. A mixture of this. Then we're going to add our chili sauce. This is sweet chili sauce. So I'm just going to mix that in now. And then we've got our tray that we've lined with foil and grease proof. Then and we're just going to put the slices in. Right, so we've got our salmon onto a tray. So we're just going to spoon the rest of this sauce over it. Because this salmon was so big, I had to use 2 trays. Flip them over. To leave some space around them so that they can cook evenly. And if you haven't liked any of our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And we'll see you when this comes out of the oven. Right everybody, this is our sweet chili salmon, all done and finished and plated up. You can see we've got a nice big bit of salmon. We're serving it with some rice, tomatoes, carrots and parsnips. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you back on the next one.